Ladies and gentlemen, even these big health agencies like the CDC and WHO, and, even they can't keep COVID out of the workplace. So this came out on the AP. WHO is in Geneva, Switzerland, and they have an outbreak of COVID 19. Mm-mm-mm. So, ladies and gentlemen, this came out November 16th, 2020. The World Health Organization has recorded 65 cases of the coronavirus among staff based in its headquarters, including 5 people who worked on the premises and were in contact with one another. An internal email obtained by the Associated Press shows. The UN Health Agency said it is investigating how and where the 5 people became infected, and that it has not determined whether transmission happened at its offices. WHO confirmed Monday that the figures in the email was the first time it has publicly provided such account. And I think many of these agencies had COVID as long as COVID has been out here, but they don't want to say nothing, just like the White House. They had it up there all this time, but it miraculously came out when Trump was in the hospital. It's always been there, and they know it. The email said about half of the infections recorded so far were people who have been working from home, but 32 were in staff who had been working on the premises at the headquarters building where more than 2,000 people usually work. And the agency says it has put in place, strict hygiene, screening, and other prevention measures. In the email, which was sent to staff on Friday, Raul Thomas, who heads the business operations at WHO, noted that 5 people, 4 on the same team, one who had contact with them, had tested positive for COVID 19. That could indicate the basic infection control and social distancing in place may have been broken. We had some cases that have been associated with the premises. We do have some cases in the last week that are linked together. Of the linked cases, there are possible ways in which they were infected outside of the premises. So we're still doing the epidemic investigation with that. 2 weeks ago, there had been no transmission at the headquarters that point to, they said they've been doing monitoring and there were no infections there a week ago. I don't know. We know those tests are not good. So we know the surge has been going crazy over in Europe, and Switzerland, which is the home to WHO, has not been spared, not in the city of Geneva. So it's off the charts in many places over in Europe right now. Yeah, so now the World Health Organization look like people there need to be doing some quarantining, you know, but Trump left the World Health Organization, but for what I understand, Joe Biden said the United States will be going back as a member of WHO when he gets in office. So, it's the same thing Trump did. When he got in office, he tried to undo everything Obama did. Now, Biden is going to spend his time undoing things that Trump did. So, ladies and gentlemen, no one is spared from COVID. No one. Not even if you work for the world's biggest health agency. It does not matter at all. But y'all, please tell me what you think. Please leave your comment and subscribe. Don't forget to hit on the notification bell, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace, family.